Hey y'all, iRix Guy here, and this is how to pair your Apple Watch and your Schwinn IC4 with the Peloton app. Now, this same or similar procedure will probably work with the Bowflex C6. So, first thing you want to do to pair your Apple Watch is go to More in the bottom right. Go to Apple Watch, and then you'll do Setup. And then you can just set it up in here. Obviously, make sure your Apple Watch is on. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone. And you can go in and you can adjust the health preferences. You can do, I opted out of sharing my location. I just don't want to do that, but I did turn on my track your movement. Record your pace for indoor runs and walks. So that's the Apple Watch part. Then for the actual pairing of the IC4, one might think it would be in a settings menu, but where you go, and this is the Peloton app, by the way. You go to cycling, and then you'll pick one of your cycling workouts. So for this purpose, I'm just going to pick this one, and then I'm going to do start. Now, what I'll do is hit pause. See below the arrow, there's the line, and then there's the little icon. Looks like a phone, turn left or right. Then the next icon looks like it's like an oval with like a heartbeat, heart rhythm or something in it. Click that. Now it says connecting devices. Turn your crank, turn the pedals on your bike so it can detect it. So see, all I did is turn the pedals on my bike, and it detected it. So for the cadence, I select the IC bike. That's my Schwinn IC4. For the heart rate, it's already using the Apple Watch. So after you do that, you just click, and then after you click, when you start your workout,
what's up, Peloton? How are you? I am Allie Love. Welcome. This is a 30-minute
your heart rate. And you'll also see your cadence within Peloton. So it's super duper cool. I really like the Peloton app so far. This was just one of the initial setup things. Super simple. Once you know where to go to do it, and that's where you do it. It's super simple. Just don't forget to turn the pedals on your Schwinn IC4 or your Bowflex C6. And this may work with other bikes too. To be sure it's, wake it up so that it can be detected by Bluetooth. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, share with others, and check out all my other indoor cycling videos too. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.